Hello, daughters. Welcome to our class. In this class, we will learn how to amplify the audio signal through a siren, knowing that the room camera already comes with the siren audio embedded, but there are projects that require us to amplify the siren signal. For example, in a field, in a large area. So there is a need for us to amplify this signal. For us to amplify this signal, we need to take a reading where we have to know what steps we need to take. The steps we need to know are that terminals A1 and AB are part of the alarm output in the camera, the AcuSense. Normally, a relay C where is normally cut open. And the B is the common of the relay, which depends on the configuration. From the system, let's go step by step, make connections, and see in practice how it works. And then we will make the respective configurations on the camera, so that we have a sound at a level where we can configure it on farms, where it requires the audio to have greater expansion. So let's work well together. Let's start making our connections. As we mentioned earlier, we need this power supply with 12 volts here, and we will connect the siren. So we have here, for the cameras here, the alarm output. Then, as we mentioned earlier, here we have the 1. A here, we have 1 A, and we also have 1 B here. It's to amplify the alarm output. Here it is. The bad thing is the in and the G are for alarm input. Positive and negative for alarm output is A. 1 and 1 B. How are we going to make the connections? First, what are we going to do? We are going to connect the positive of the power supply, which is this positive. We will connect it to the positive of the add siren E here. And here we will connect the active of the siren, which is this negative of the siren. Let's connect one to the camera here. Connect one to the camera here. There. The negative of the power supply, which is the negative of the connection cell. We will connect here to 1B. And here, reviewing the positive of the siren. In the positive of the power supply, the negative of the siren goes in the air. And the negative of the power supply goes to 1. Well, it's connected. And we will turn on our power supply. Now let's go to the PC screen to make the respective configurations. Let's make the configurations here on the PC. We will access the web browser interface of the camera to make the respective configurations, so that the audio comes out not from the camera, but from the siren for a large dimension. Now let's go to the PC screen. Since we have already configured our intelligent events here, we will simply ensure a disconnection here. And here, there should be an activation of this alarm output history corner. Let's also look here at line crossing. At the moment of connection, it triggers. It has to be active. It should remain active. Let's save. There is a proposed warning, and let's go here in the event. Alarm output. For the alarm, we will define, let's go here. Let's finish what will be. In the Alava series, we can give a name. The day of the week, force time. Today is Tuesday. It's set, and let's go here. To record. So according to the detection we configured, we'll go there. So now let's turn it on. And if it doesn't light up at the line crossing, it will be not the alarm. Set. This is how you configure the alarm output for the audible siren in order to ensure proper functionality.